Deepak, and you?
Esther Pearson.
And you?
And Mike Pearson.
Where are you from?
We're from England.
From England.
How was the hike with the Deepak?
We have enjoyed our tour with Deepak today.
Yes, a very nice day. Lots of new things we learned. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
You've
Have a
looked
good time.
after us very well. Thank
Yes,
you.
Thank
a good
you.
time.
I hope you get lots of customers from England.
Okay, thank you very much. my
Thank
friend.
you.
Have a good time. This is the Queen's Fund in nearby the Darbar High School. Is all high school is in here.